Hello, welcome back again to the civil site construction and related again. The video is related to the tips and tricks for Excel. So today I will tell you how to text in Excel and how do you want to give heading and you if you want to give heading um, uh, in Excel. So what you must need to do. So just for example, I want to give heading here. So I just pick up our select the cells and just clicking on the merge center. It may appear that look like that, and what should be the heading, like I'm going to school, like that, whatever it is. So here you can see these things occur, and you can make changes here by adjusting its size and just its text style. I would prefer that. These are simple tricks you must need to know. See you in the next video.